Hey, what's up? Welcome to my backyard. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. So my good buddy Rob over there at BBQ Pit Dog and my other buddy MeatCranium BBQ and Review, they both tagged me on a challenge to get outside and cook something. Now I live in California, and where I live it gets really hot, trust me. You don't want to be outside, but you know what, weather's turned around and it looks so beautiful right now, and I'm not sweating like crazy and it's not hot. So we're coming outside and we're gonna finish up that tag, and I'm gonna be tagging cooking with CJ. Now I've been putting CJ to work, so yeah, CJ, you're tagged. So what am I making today? I'm gonna be making some bacon wrapped chicken breast. Now, I'm doing it BBQ Pit Dog style, and I season them up with some Bazel's Cajun seasoning. So let's get into this cook. Alright, so I got some charcoal heating up right now down in my chimney over there, but I got some Mesquite Wood Lumps right here. This stuff gives a really strong smoke flavor. So I'm gonna take my charcoal, put it right on top of these wood chunks, and then I'm gonna put some mesquite wood chips right on top to give it that little extra smoky flavor. And if you're wondering what brand of wood chips I'm using, this is it right here. This is some good stuff right here. You can get this in apple, cherry, pecan, and mesquite. Gotta try this. Alright, so our charcoal's all ready. I'm gonna be putting on some wood chips now. Give that good mesquite flavor. Give it a nice smoke. Right there. Alright, so we're going to be cooking these on indirect heat. Got my chicken breast right there, wrapped in bacon. So we're going to go ahead and put these in the middle here. So I'm going to be using my iGrill Mini to monitor the internal temperature of the chicken breast. So we're going to be cooking it to exactly at 165 degrees. Now I'm using my iGrill Mini. It's really helpful to monitor the internal temperatures of your food. You know, this is a temperature cook, not a time cook. So that way I could get a perfect temperature of 165 degrees on that chicken. That way I don't overcook it and then it'll be dry. But allowing me to monitor the temperatures like this, I'm gonna be able to get that perfect 165 degree temperature. Oh yeah, and you know, just for MeatCranium's sake, I went ahead and made this dish keto friendly. So if you're looking for some keto friendly recipes, this is perfect for you. Alright, the iGrill Mini is telling us that it's already at temperature, showing 165 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and take them off. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take off our iGrill Mini. Look at these bad boys. They look perfect. Let's go go and cut one of these up and test it out. Alright, let's slice into this bad boy. That perfectly cooked. Look at that. It's perfectly cooked. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Man, super juicy, really flavorful with that Cajun seasoning, that smokiness from the bacon, and then the mesquite flavor. This stuff is really, really good. You gotta try this. Man, I can't stop putting this stuff down. This stuff is really delicious. Really, really juicy, really flavorful, and man, that smokiness, perfect. Now I want you guys to go check out my two buddies, Rob the BBQ Pit Dog and MeatCranium BBQ and Review. Rob does similar dishes like this. He's a really chill guy, and he makes some really, really good barbecue. So go check him out. And if you're on the keto diet, my buddy MeatCranium BBQ and Review, he's on the keto diet, and that's all his food is all about. So his channel is nothing but keto friendly recipes. So if you're interested in that, go check out my buddy at MeatCranium BBQ and Review. Now the person I'm tagging for this challenge is Cooking with CJ. So do me a favor and go check out CJ's channel. I really can't wait to see what he cooks. So good luck, CJ, and I'll be checking out your video. Well, that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that we can see future cooking videos just like this one today. And if you have any questions or anything about this recipe that you want us to talk about, go ahead and leave it down in the comments section. And while you're at it, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you're looking for a grill just like mine and all of its accessories, I have a link down in the description that we can check all that stuff, including the iGrill Mini. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.